Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into why I'm buying Reddit stock before its upcoming earnings report on Tuesday. Now before we get into the details, remember this isn't financial advice, it's just my personal take on the stock. So what is Reddit? For those of you who may not know, Reddit is one of the largest online communities, home to over 100,000 active sub-communities. It's a place where users can dive into everything from niche hobbies to global news, making it a go-to platform for authentic conversations and diverse perspectives. Reddit's appeal lies in its authentic content where users share real opinions and advice, something that's becoming even more valuable in an era where AI-generated content is on the rise. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and look at the company's finances. In Q2 of this year, which was the last quarter, Reddit posted $281 million in revenue, which was a massive 54% year-over-year growth, and it's not just a one-off. Q1 of this year was also strong with 48% year-over-year revenue growth. These back-to-back quarters of accelerating revenue growth really show that Reddit is scaling its business effectively. On top of revenue growth, Reddit's gross margin hit a whopping 89.5% in Q2, up from 84.2% last year. They've streamlined their operations and their adjusted EBITDA has turned positive for the third straight quarter. What's even better is that Reddit is free cash flow positive, meaning they're generating cash, not burning through it. This makes Reddit a rare tech company that's growing fast while improving profitability, something that I really look for in a stock to buy. When it comes to users, Reddit's user base is exploding. In Q2, they had 91.2 million daily active users, a 51% jump from last year, with growth both in the US and internationally. What's important here is that Reddit isn't just attracting casual users. Logged in users grew 31%, which means that these are more engaged users. This is a huge green flag for future ad revenue potential because engaged users convert better for advertisers. And it's the users who are the real asset here because they bring the advertising dollars. Which brings me to another reason why I'm bullish, and that is Reddit's advertising and data licensing businesses. Advertising revenue was up 41% year over year, and they've made major strides in diversifying their ad clients, especially in sectors like finance, pharma, and retail. They've also started to scale their data licensing business, which was 690% growth year over year in Q2, and sign partnerships with OpenAI and Sprinkler. I think this data licensing side is where Reddit gets commissions for third parties to use its data. And even though this part of the business is quite small, it's growing rapidly and could snowball over the next few years. Finally, Reddit is investing heavily in AI and machine learning, which are driving user engagement and improving their ad tech. They recently acquired Memorable AI, adding AI-driven ad creation tools that enhance advertiser performance. Their AI tools are also being used to improve search functionalities and content moderation, making Reddit's platform faster and easier to use, which should keep user growth on an upward trajectory. From a technical standpoint, Reddit's stock is looking really strong. Since its IPO, the stock bottomed out and has been trending upwards since August. Right now it's trading above all key moving averages like the 10 and 30 week EMAs, which is a bullish signal. The share price has been rallying since August, and if Tuesday's earnings report is positive, we could see a gap up of 30% or even more. With the stock showing such strong momentum, this could be a great setup going into earnings. Of course, the numbers could disappoint and the stock could actually fall 30%, hence I'm not going to put on a huge position, but a sizable one for me nonetheless. To sum up, Reddit is looking like an ideal momentum stock right now. Its revenue is growing fast, it's improving margins, expanding its ad and data businesses, and leveraging AI to drive engagement. With all these factors, I'm betting Reddit will deliver another blowout quarter. But again, this is not financial advice, this is for entertainment purposes only. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.